looking like my pretty bald eagle self. It's giving me like with, oh my God, what movie was that? Flashdance. She's a maniac, maniac. I hold on to these memories because you. Our love was true. I hold on to these memories because seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And today we have another sponsored video from one of my faves, Luvmehair. So thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. I think this is like my third sponsorship with them. Just saying, y'all. I actually really do enjoy their hair. This hair is very soft, very convenient, grab and go, because you know I'm all about grab and goes. And there's no lace on this wig. It's like a full cap wig. So this hair is perfect for either the winter, if it's like big and full. It's perfect for the spring or the summer, especially right now with like the wet look. And it has the two combs right here and the elastic band, so it's not going anywhere. It's like nobody's gonna come up to you and just like rip this off of you. It's not happening, okay? Because it's secure. So yeah, that's definitely a bonus. I love it. I love the short hair on me. I feel like lately, I mean, I love the inches as well, but the short hair on me lately has just looked really, really good. I feel like it's doing what it's supposed to do. So I really like it. So if you want to see how I got this look, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. And yeah, we are officially back with another sponsored video once again, and this is from Luvmehair. So I've definitely been loving all of the units that I've been getting from Luvmehair. I think this is the third sponsored video with them, and I just feel like they kill it every time. My lash down here, y'all. I don't know what's happening here. I don't know what's going on, but every time that I actually am with them, I just feel like they kill it every time. So I am very happy that I am sponsored again by them. So let's just jump right into the video. We're gonna hop right in, and before we get into the hair, let's always talk about the goodies first. So first are the goodies. They give you a wig cap. This is just like the regular color wig cap, so that's that. Then of course they give you care instructions on how to take care of the hair. All of that is detailed back here. It's like a whole pamphlet. And then they give you a bag with goodies, which I love. Oh yes, gave me an edge brush. This is the bag that everything comes in. It's just so cute. And they gave me an edge brush, which you can never have enough edge brushes. Like, I don't care how many I have, I will still buy more. So that's that. Oh, they gave me like a silk wrap, which is good for like tying down my edges. They gave me, what is this? Hold up, y'all. This looks so cool. It's like a gold case. What? What is this? Oh, I love this. This is a little mirror. Oh, yeah. This is so cute. This is so convenient and cute, and you can put it in your purse. Stop it. Oh, yeah. I am putting this in my purse. That is so cute. Thank you, guys. I love that. And oh, they gave me some hoop earrings. These are like silver hoops, which I don't really have any silver hoops, so that's really cool. So those are all the items and the gifts. So what I'm going to do now is we are going to talk about the hair itself, which is going to be this wig right here, and I'll put all the details and specs of the wig down below. So this is the wig, and this is a it doesn't have like lace on it, so it's like a grab and go wig, and it's curly. And if you guys saw my last curly hair video, you would have seen like that. I love the curl pattern of this. It looks really nice, and it's giving me like back in the day with, oh my God, what movie was that? Flashdance, where the girl had the wig on, or not the wig, it was her hair, but the girl had her hair and then she like pushed the water down, and then I'll put it on the screen, y'all. She's a maniac, maniac, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this is the wig that I am going to try on today, and again, I will put all the specs on it. Let me just check. So this is called the Super Easy Curly Wig with Bangs. It's like a curly fringe bang wig, which I love. And it is, I think the one that I have is 10 inches. So 10 inches or 12 inches, I'm not sure of the inch. But let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my bonnet and then I'm going to put the wig on itself straight out the box, nothing. Ready? So, looking like my pretty bald eagle self. Let's do it. Okay, so first thing is, it has, and I should show you the inside of the cap instructions. So inside of the cap, it's just like I said, it's no lace, it's just basically like a full cap wig, I guess. And it has the elastic band on the inside, which I love these. Every LUVMEhair wig that I've had so far has had those, like the has had the elastic band, and I love that. So let's put this on. Let's do some fixing to this before we say anything here. So it has the combs on the side and it's just like secure. Okay, so straight out the box, as you can see, the actual texture and curl pattern of it, once it's actually styled, is going to be like curly. So it's going to be really, really cute. And I am going to just take a comb. You can like fluff it. So it'll be, I definitely have to style the front of this because some of the pieces are curly and then some of them are straight. So like fluff. This reminds me of when I was natural and I was like making sure that my hair, like next day hair, is like poofy, and it's like my favorite hair. But anyway, so that's how it looks straight out the box. So let's actually get into styling. I actually like this cut a lot. Like, I like it. The cut itself is great. So let's, I don't know, I'm excited. So let's get into this. I just have in this bottle water and conditioner. So I'm going to spray it and then I am going to see how it clumps the curls. You don't need that much, because I feel like for the most part, really I have to do the front part. That's really, the hair is very soft though, I will tell you that. So, okay, yeah. So as you start wetting it, it starts to, okay, if you can see that, the texture is starting to come through. Ooh, I like it. There we go. So I'm just taking my time going through and wetting the pieces that need to be wet. Some of it doesn't really need to be wet. You can scrunch it. Like this one right here needs to be. It's giving. Oh, that looks better for sure. Just fluffing it. And for the front pieces, I'm just going to try to like twist them a little bit, like so they stay curled. Like this one's kind of long, so try to move it to the side. But you could kind of manipulate it to do what you want it to do. And I didn't put any real product in it, like just water and a very little bit of conditioner. And then I'm going to fluff this up. You could wear this curly, so it could be like curly and wet, I'm sorry. So like summertime wise, it could be like summertime ready, or you could wear it in the winter, like a big fro. It would be nice. So let me play in it a little and get it styled exactly how I want it. And then I will show you guys the final look. I just want to curl these pieces a little more. Now you see the wet texture of this? Oh, amazing. I feel like I want to diffuse it a little bit just to give it a little bit more volume, but it has a good amount of volume. I'm going to turn around and show you the back of it. I just want to Make sure the back is like wet a little bit. This is so cute. Oh my god, so cute. Yeah, I love this. I love this. I would like it if it was a little fluffier. Like, I just got to get it fluffier up here. But let me turn around and show you the back of it. So that's the back. Hopefully you guys can see this. I love the fact that this is like you could throw on and go. It's giving me a little Rick James-ish, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Oh yeah. So this doesn't have any parting space or anything, again, because it's not really any lace, but this is giving me like, if I did a braid out or a twist out, it would kind of look like this. So cute. I love it like almost to the side a little bit, so it gives it like more volume on this side, and then just the this is really cute. Like, okay, so let me go and get dressed, and then I'll come back with the finalized look. I think I want to let it dry a little bit, so I'm gonna wait till it like dries down a bit, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so finalized thoughts. This is such a convenient wig, first of all, especially right now since I am in the gym and trying to be as consistent as possible. If I have something where I could just literally throw it on and go without having to do anything to it at all, like I don't have to worry about the lace, nothing, this is ideal. Secondly, it's like cut so well. Like if I had my hair cut, like my natural hair cut, and I always love this style on natural hair anyway, so it's like the perfect style. I just diffused it a little bit, so what you saw me doing was just trying to blow dry it a little bit because I did spray it with water just to see like what it will look like when it's finally dry. I love the bangs, I love the cut, I love the style. I think it looks really, really cute, and I think it's perfect for the summer. Hopefully you guys like this one as well. I got that one little piece that just won't let me be great. But yeah, I kind of moved it like to the side because I kind of like it like that. I like almost like an effortless throw it over, flip over method kind of thing going on. That's what I have going on here. So it gives it like a little bit more height on that side, and then it's like a little flatter on this side. This is a style that if my natural hair was cut in this way, oh, I would 100% be wearing it like this. 100% be wearing it like this. But yeah, so that's really it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please go check this wig out again from Luvmehair. Look at the curls, okay? With just water, like I didn't have to do anything extra. Water and like a little bit of conditioner inside of this thing, and my hair looks like this. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because why not? Because why wouldn't I walk around looking like this? Okay, this looks so cute. So effortless, so like, oh, look at her. She's just like a natural. She's just a cute little natural. Like, what? Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna stop playing my hair. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one, guys.